Welcome to this lesson on during and while. These are two important words in English that help us talk about actions happening at the same time. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use both of these words correctly in your sentences. During and while are both used to express simultaneous time, which means two things happening together. However, they work differently. While is used to connect two actions together. During shows when one action happens in relation to a time period or event. While is used with a subject and a verb in the past continuous tense. The structure is while plus subject plus verb in past continuous. For example, while I was studying, my friend called. This shows two actions happening at the same time. The pattern is, while one action was happening, another action happened. During is different from while. It is used with a noun or a time period, not with a verb. The structure is during plus a noun. For example, I met her during the party. This tells us when something happened in relation to an event or time period. The pattern is an action during a noun or event. Let us compare these two words side by side. While connects two actions together. You use it when both actions are happening at the same time. An example is, while I read, she slept. During shows when something happens within a time period. An example is, I called during dinner. Remember, while works with verbs and during works with nouns. Many students make mistakes with these words. A common error is saying I ate during I was watching TV. This is wrong because during must be followed by a noun, not a verb. The correct way is I ate while I was watching TV. Always remember, use while with verbs, use during with nouns. This is the most important rule to avoid mistakes. Let us practice with some examples. First example, while I was cooking, the phone rang. This shows two actions at the same time. Second example, she arrived during the meeting. This tells us when she arrived. Third example, while we were playing, it started raining. Again, two actions happening together. Practice making your own sentences using these patterns. Here are the important points to remember. While connects two simultaneous actions together. During shows when one action occurs within a time period or event. Use verbs after while and use nouns after during. These three rules will help you use during and while correctly every time. Keep practicing, and soon you will use these words naturally.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.